Hey guys, it's Mountain Goat. Today I came to the top of the Mount Ibuki through the Ibuki Yama driveway, and today I'm gonna hike with my family and my 5-month-old baby. Okay, the weather is very nice and it's chilly, but it's gonna be a very good hiking. And as always, I'm gonna talk about, or I wanna give you some of my thought on certain gears, like the gear I'm wearing now or using now. So hopefully you enjoy my review-ish hiking video. Okay. そう。重っ、なんだこれ。右からでしょ。そういうことか。いや、蛇口じゃなくてノブがあるところだと思うやん。It took so much time to prepare and departure from the parking lot, but finally we started. Yeah, it's very good. Look at this. The sky is so blue, and although it's pretty cold like winter, I feel like it is a spring. So nice. Since we have 3 kids, we have a lot of things to carry. So I'm wearing Ultra 35-liter carb, and my wife is carrying Ultra 20-liter carb. And my wife just told me that she really likes the backpack. Yeah, actually she's now using Yamatomichi Mini, but she told me that she was going to get the Ultra Carb series. Yeah, beautiful. My wife is pretty short, like she is like 152 centimeters, but the Ultra 20-liter carb fits her perfectly and comfortably. So the Ultra 20-liter carb is suitable for, shorter lady or kids. Okay. When I hike with my baby, I used to use so-called baby carrier, like some companies release baby carrier, right? But first, it is too heavy, and second, it doesn't hold many gear, many items. So yeah, we are done with the baby carrier. So usually when we hike, we simply use this sort of like Ergo Baby or Montbell's like baby carrier. They are holding support stuff, so that I can while I can carry my baby, I can also carry my regular backpack. When I carried baby carrier on my back, I couldn't see the baby's face or how he or she is doing. So yeah, in that sense, I'm carrying my baby in front of me, so it's easy to take care of the baby. Also, if you happen to fall down, you can, protect your baby, right? So yeah, this is my tip for hiking with kids. Now I'm wearing Aclima WoolNet under the All-paca hoodie, and I'm also wearing Yamatomichi Alpha Light tights under the LiteAF pocket pants. And unfortunately, I feel so hot. Yeah, it can be because of the baby, baby kind of, we kind of warm up each other. But I don't know. Yeah, because I'm wearing the Treat Apex jacket. I don't know, but yeah, it's supposed to be cold today, and actually it is. And I'm also, have to walk at the kids pace, so yeah, I wear extra layers to keep me warm. But yeah, it's too hot. Yeah, if there are not so many people, I will take the WoolNet and LiteAF tights off at the top. But today, there are quite a few people, so I don't think I can take them off. Layering is always, tricky, right? Yay! We are on the top. Much faster than I expected. Yeah. I feel like my kids are growing up rapidly. Yeah. Great. Yeah, my daughter and my wife are kind of fighting, and my daughter is keep complaining about my wife just behind me. That's so funny. Yeah, good record. 止めます。We are in front of the very famous monument. Yeah, there used to be some sign, a place to show the peak, but yeah, it's supposed to be in this place, but yeah, I don't know. Is this the new one? Anyways.
こうじゃこう。また美味しいよ。
いいよ、やった。
じゃあハングしとくわけない。
渋いよ。
入れてきて。
結構いいよ。うまいよ。
Now I'm wearing Treat Apex jacket, as I already said, and Treat Apex series is really nice. It's super breathable and it doesn't overheat much. At the same time, however, it retains heat well. So yeah, I think the Straight Apex jacket can work not only as a puffy jacket for campsite, but also for active installation. Also, it is super light. I highly recommend to get the Straight Apex series. あれ、なんか見たことない生き物やな。
かわいいな。
ねえ、でもさ、そういうなんじゃない？触りたい。
触る前に噛まれると思うよ。
外来種じゃねえかな、あれ。
タヌキ！タヌキ！
なんか、
タヌキ！なんか食べ物探したい。
食べとるな、も
タヌキ！食べてないよ。タヌキ！なんか白い道がさ、じゅんじゅん続くよね。
う。うん。
白い一の道がじゅんじゅん続きます。なんでだろう。不思議。誰かが撮って微調整したのかな。そう思った。ピンクと
I've got my best solution for clipping GoPro. The solution to use GoPros without stress. Yeah. As soon as I come back, I'm gonna tell you what it is and how to use.
曲がってるの？
Okay.
なんか、
うん。
なんだ。すごいですよ、これ。
うん。
新しいですね、これ。
いや、前からあるよ。
前から。
うん。I introduced my method to carry my baby, but this method doesn't apply to everyone. You know, actually, to take your baby to hiking, you have to be, you know, you have to get used to hiking by yourself. You know, you can't fall down. You are not allowed to make a mistake, right? If you wanna hike with your baby, be responsible. You know, you are in charge and it's your responsibility. Okay? We are arriving at the parking lot, finishing up the round trip of the hiking course. Yeah. Yeah, my kid got just a teeny injury, but yeah, other than that, yeah, we successfully came back to the car without any big problems. You know, I'm not sure how many people like this kind of video, but yeah, you know, this is kind of family record. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you have done already, as always, thank you very much. See you outside. Bye.